Okay guys, so last class we have studied different closed loop configuration of operational amplifier, right? So today we will learn some different configuration, not only closed loop. There we will learn how do we find out the output voltage. So in previous configuration, all the three closed loop configuration, what we have focused guys, we have just focused what is the gain of different configuration as well as what is the output voltage equation. These two things are very important, because whatever the topic we are going to study in our next or forthcoming classes, in all the cases you have to first define the gain. Okay, then you have to calculate your output voltage. Guys, just mute yourself. Just ensure that when you are joining for the class, you all should be muted. Okay, check that first. We don't want to listen your cell phone incoming music or anything. Just mute yourself. Okay, so we are going to learn uh, today the output voltage of another circuit configuration. One minute guys, just give me a moment. Hmm. Okay, so the thing we will proceed like this. Find the V naught of or V output voltage of the following circuit. Okay, so how the circuit will look like? It will be like this.
Ma'am, the screen is not visible.
But I have shared, no? 1 minute. Yeah, it's already shared in. Yeah, just have a look now. Is it
Yes,
okay?
ma'am. Now it's visible.
Okay. I have not started anything. Okay. Guys, always remember when you are drawing the op-amp, you have to mention this terminal. At which terminal you are applying which kind of things. Okay. Which external parameters you have been used, and this negative and positive terminal must be mentioned. Okay. Draw this circuit. So what we are going to do, we are going to find the output voltage equation from this circuit. We are going to solve this circuit. If numerical details are provided, as per that we will calculate the answer, but not now. Yeah, now look at the circuit and tell me guys, this belongs to which configuration? You have learned, no? Inverting, non-inverting, non-inverting. Very good. So what should be the output voltage equation for this, guys? And here you remember, this is B terminal and this is A. So the voltage which appear across B is VB, and the voltage which will appear across A is VA. Okay. So now you tell me, before proceeding for the output voltage equation, what is the applied input voltage for this circuit? Guys, here you have to see carefully because this type of configuration will come very often while solving the equation. So here I will just say that now Bin is not the applied input voltage for this op-amp. What is the applied input voltage for this op-amp? It is VB.
Ma'am, VAA and VBB.
No, not VBB. What I told earlier. This is just node B and this is just node A. So the voltage will appear at node B is VB and at node A is VA. Okay. So now Vin is not the applied input voltage. It is the terminal voltage only. Now VB is the applied input voltage for this circuit. So if VB is applied input voltage for this circuit, what is the output voltage equation for this circuit alone? Can anybody say? What is V naught for this circuit? We know that the gain equation for non-inverting op-amp is 1 plus
R by
R1
into
into
VB.
VB. Okay, you remember this thing. Guys, those who are getting this, they can solve any kind of problem. Okay, now what is the VB? Okay, we have to calculate the VB. So this is very important. Just have a look. If you see the VB configuration, this node, this branch only, the current is I across the entire terminal. So how do we solve it for VB? Always remember, we have to use the potential divider rule or voltage divider rule to solve the intermediate voltage. So suppose here is your V in, right? The nodal structure is drawn like this. This is what? R3, this is R2, and here we have been asked the VB node, but the entire current is flowing through this is I. Okay, so what is the I, guys? See, at the top of the terminal the voltage is V in, but at the bottom it is 0. So what is the equation for I? I can be written as, tell me, what is I? V in minus 0 divided by entire resistance. What is the entire resistance at here?
R2 plus R3, ma'am.
Yes. So if I will write I equal to V in divided by R2 plus R3. Guys, always remember this concept. For this case it is VB, so that I am mentioning VB, the name may be different, but what is the intermediate voltage in the nodal network, if you are going to find out, always remember you have to take the entire resistance and this nodal voltage at here. Then what is VB we have to find out, right? I we got. What is I? I is V in by R2 plus R3. Now the question is VB means V equal to IR, right?
I times R3, ma'am.
Yeah. So what is I we got at here? V equal to IR, right?
I is
So,
equal to V in by
huh.
R2 plus R3.
Yeah, that's the thing I wanted to tell you. If you are going to find out this nodal voltage, you have to take the resistance which is connected to the ground. It means I into which one we have to take?
R3, ma'am.
Yeah, R3. So I already got this V in. So we may better write down this V in into R3 divided by same R2 plus R3. So what is VB? What is VB?
Ma'am, R3 upon R2 plus R3 into V in.
Yeah, the entire thing is same only, na. We can rewrite it R3 divided by R2 plus R3 into V in. Okay. Got it? If you rewrite in a arranged manner, it will be similar only because we are multiplying. Then, now what is the V naught equation? We have to rewrite, no? In this equation, 1 plus RF by R1 into VB. Now, what is the VB value? R3 into V in divided by R2 plus R3, or V in into R3 divided by R2 plus R3 whole into 1 plus RF by R1. So I will rearrange the equation. V naught equal to 1 plus RF by R1 whole into, yeah. Tell me guys, if you are watching also, tell me. Into VB?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
R3 divided by R2 plus R3 into V. Yeah, just remember this part. In subtractor also we are going to use this kind of thing. Okay, so this is one type of network arrangement or circuit arrangement where we have to find the output voltage, and in that case the input voltage is not direct V in, it is in terms of VB. Okay, yeah. So the next topic is application of op-amp. By using these three different configuration, guys, we are going to develop different kind of application. So first one is inverting summer. First we are going to learn today summer circuit, but this summer is also of two different type, inverting and non-inverting. So first we are going to learn inverting summer, then we will learn non-inverting summer, then the next topic is subtractor. Okay, so how the inverting summer will look like? Summer means what, guys? Can you define the adder circuit or summer circuit? When more than two signals or two voltages are appearing at the input terminal of op-amp, then the output voltage is nothing but the individual sum of input voltage, irrespective of the voltages are applied at the input. Whether it is applied at the inverting input, then the output equation will become negative of that. When it is applied at the non-inverting input, the output will become positive. Okay. Mainly we are going to measure the DC voltages like this, individual sum. Then suppose we have applied two different input voltages at here. It is V1, it is V2. So as per the V1 it is R1, as per the V2 it is R2. Okay. And the feedback register is RF. Because we are following the inverting one, the non-inverting will become fully grounded. So the current at R1 is I1, current at R2 is I2. Now suppose this nodal voltage at here, the positive input is Vp and here it is Vn. Yeah, how do we analyze the circuit?
Ma'am, the
Guys,
VP equals to VN, ma'am.
Vp equal to Vn, I am telling you na. Yeah,
Yes,
correct
ma'am.
only. I'm not denying
So,
that.
so current from resistance 1 and resistance 2,
Yeah,
when we add both of them, it will be equals to current through RF.
what is the current then? We have to name this, no?
Yes, ma'am. Total I current, we can say it.
I3, I3. Okay, suppose it is I3. And what will be the direction of flow of current from V1 to Vn side, V2 to Vn side, then from Vn to V0 side, right? So
Yes,
first
ma'am.
we have to make by virtual ground concept, right? Vp equal to 0 equal to Vn, right? Then we have to take the KCL at node Vn. So I1 plus I2 equal to I3. Guys, just solve this. Tell me what is I1. I1 may be V1 minus Vn by R1. What is I2, guys?
Ma'am, is V2 by R2.
Yeah, you have to tell full equation. Vn we have to make 0, no? We have to proceed step by step clearly. Okay.
Ma'am, V1 minus 0
Hmm.
divided by R1
Hmm.
plus V2 minus Vn divided by R2
Hmm.
equals to
0.
Vn minus V0 divided by RF.
Good, very good. Now what is the Vn value?
0, ma'am.
Yeah. So if I will rewrite the equation, what will be the value? V1 minus, yeah, tell me guys, those who are observing the screen. Yeah, V1 by, because the Vn value
R1
is 0, yes, R1 plus
Plus
V2 by,
V2 by R2
V2 by R2
yes,
equals to minus V0 by
minus
RF.
of, yes. This minus term will be here because before V not Vn is there. Okay, so the negative sign will persist. So if I will rearrange this to get the V0, what will be the equation at here?
Ma'am, V0 equals to minus RF
By R1
bracket
into V1. You just take like this. Okay.
plus
Hmm.
RF by R2 into
Into,
V2.
yes. So now for the moment, if I will take RF equal to R1 equal to R2, what will be the V0 equation? If
V0 equals to minus V1 plus V2.
very good. Yeah. So here, if you keep this negative at the side bracket, what is the thing you reveal that? It is a type of summer circuit. Okay, or adder circuit. V0 is the individual sum of the input, but we have applied the input at the negative one or the inverting one, we have applied the input all together at the inverting input of op-amp. That's why this will come. Okay, negative sign will come, which will show the inverting operation of the output. Okay, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. The next one is the non-inverting summer, guys. Now you tell me what will be the output voltage equation for the non-inverting summer.
Ma'am, V naught equals to V1 plus V2, I guess.
That is only if I will increase the number of terminal up to V5, then
V1 plus V2 plus
Summation
V3
of
plus
all the
V4.
voltages.
yeah, up to V5, right? Non-inverting summer. Guys, you just write along with me. Don't sit idly. Okay. If you sit idly, later you become lethargic. You don't have any interest to write. You'll just focus upon to read only. And this is not the subject to read. You have to write. You have to practice the writing. That is the drawback of the online studies. We are thinking that you are writing, but I cannot see one by one, right? So this is my request to you guys. You better start writing along with me. Whatever the things I'm writing, you have to write. If you are interested or not also, just keep that aside for a moment and you follow my screen and you too start writing. How many of you are writing, guys? Can you say yes, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes,
guys,
ma'am.
this is for
Yes,
your
ma'am.
safety I'm telling.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good, good. Now let's solve for the non-inverting summer and the circuit. Always use the sign for drawing the op-amp. Same structure. Okay, RF and R1. This thing will be there. Now onwards means from the closed loop configuration onwards, we must have to move with the circuit design with this feedback path. Without feedback, you can't imagine the circuit. Okay. Then, what are the things we are going to do at here? We are going to apply the same V1 and V2 at the positive input or non-inverting input terminal, right? So suppose guys, for simplicity, better we will take this as R only. And this one we will take R1 and R2. Okay. Suppose this is node B and suppose this is node A. So how do we proceed, guys? Initial thing. Now that thing came, that virtual ground VB, that concept it came. Now the input is VB, not V1 and V2, right? Guys, are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we have to proceed like that. Suppose the current flowing at R1 is I1, at R2 is it is I2, right? So write down. We know that by that virtual ground concept, just we have to write VA equal to VB only. We have to write up to this. Okay. Then we have to analyze the circuit from the input side because here the potential is more and we have to analyze the non-inverting input. So better I will write that from the input side, right guys? Okay, so from the input side, if I will analyze, what equation can be applied at here altogether? First, can you tell me?
Ma'am, I1 plus I2 equals to 0.
Yes, from the input side, if I will apply that, I1 plus I2 equal to 0 because the current cannot enter inside the op-amp, right? So, what is I1?
V1 by R1. V1 minus VP by R1.
Yes. And what is I2? V2 minus?
V2 minus VB by R2.
Yes, VB is common at here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Guys, solve this and tell me the final equation of VB. I am waiting for your response. Yeah, do it from your side and tell me finally. I'm not asking you. I'm not going to do that also. I'll just write the final arrangement only. Yeah. After this, you solve and tell me the equation for VB.
Ma'am, VB equals to R1 plus R2 bracket V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2.
No, don't tell like that. You just tell with the factor of V1 and R2 and R1, V2 and R1. In that way, you just tell. You have informed correctly.
V1
on-
R2,
Yes.
V1
Yes.
R2 plus V2 R1 by R1 plus R2.
Here I will just write. Wait, guys, I have to fill those gap also. Yeah, final VB is how much? Yeah, you are correct only.
Yes, ma'am. V1 R2 plus V2 R1
Hmm.
by
Divided by.
R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
Suppose this is equation 1. Guys, whether you all got this equation in this form for VB or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good, very good. So, the first equation where I left V1 by R1, yeah, plus V2 by R2, because we have to take the VB to another side. What is our requirement? We have to find out this unknown VB only, right? Because VB is the input voltage for the op amp, right? So VB we have to calculate, so that we have to solve the equation. Then if you solve like this, VB equal to V1 R2 plus V2 R1, right? Whole divided by R1 plus R2 into R1 R2 whole divided by R1 plus, sorry, this is R1 R2, right? 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. Multiplication.
Okay. So this term will get cancel out and remaining V1 R2 plus V2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2 will be the answer for equation VB. Okay. Now we have to analyze node A, because already at the beginning I wrote from the circuit that VB equal to VA or VA equal to VB. Now what is VA, what is VB we calculated. That is the factor for VA. Now we have to solve node A. At node A we have to solve. So what is the current at node A, guys? 1 minute. I have to put one thing. The direction of flow of current, where it will be from V0 to VA side, because this one is grounded, right? So same current I will flow from VA to ground side. Okay, we will solve like this. Guys, you got or not? With respect to node
ma'am.
A, we have to solve. Okay, fine. Now we have to solve. Now at node A. Earlier we solved at node B. What is the current I? Just tell me.
Ma'am, V0 minus VA by RF.
Yeah. So if I will proceed from VA to ground side, it is VA minus 0 by R, which is nothing but VB minus 0 by R. Okay. As we know that VB equal to VA. Suppose this is equation 2. Now from the output side, if I will write what is the current I? I equal to V0 minus
V0 minus VB by RF.
Yeah. So the same thing can be written V0 minus VB by RF, right? equation 3. Up to this you all got or not? Guys, up to this you all got or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Equating equation 2 and 3. How much do we get? VB by R, which is equal to V0 minus VB by RF. So what is the V0 only, guys? Take
Ma'am, it's
VB.
1 by R plus 1 by RF into VB.
So the same can be written as, if you solve for V0 by RF, first one, which is equal to VB whole into 1 by R plus 1 by RF. After this, if you write the final equation for V0, it is VB into R plus RF by R. Later only we will come in that 1 plus form. Okay. Up to this you got, what is our VB, guys? Do you remember that? Now we can apply that VB at here, no? Guys, what is our VB?
Yeah.
We can,
V1 R1, V1 R2 plus V2 R1 by R1 plus R2.
yeah, guys, you solve that and take that R1 equal to R2 equal to R equal to RF. All the resistances you just take similar. So what will be the final answer? Can you please tell me? Yeah, solve it and tell. Now substitute the value of VB into the above equation. So
V1 plus V2, ma'am.
yes, very good. You have written or simply you are watching the equation and telling me?
Yeah, like calculated in the mind and I written finally, ma'am.
Yeah, don't keep it in mind. Just make that into your copy also.
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing just making R1 equal to R and finally writing those. Yes.
Oh, okay. So what about others? You are getting or not? I'm writing also. Don't worry. For them, those who are not able to get, I'm writing that for them. Yeah, remaining guys also just try. This speed is okay, right, guys? Because if I will move slow other than this, we cannot cover the topics. This is okay, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah. If you elaborate the equation, it will be in this form. After this line only, see, lot of R, R1, RF terms are there along with your V1 and V2. What we have to do, what is our target? We have to take the voltage, no, V0. So just break the equation in terms of V1 and V2. Okay. It should come V1 plus V2 term. Then how do we cancel out the equations? Then we may cancel out the equation if we consider all the resistance values are, if we take R1 equal to R2 equal to R equal to RF, the final V0 equation is equal to V1 plus V2. This is the output voltage equation of non-inverting summer. Okay, guys, if you think about the word non-inverting and inverting, the negative sign will come means the output or the circuit belongs to the inverting summer. If there is no negative sign, just the individual sum of the input, it is non-inverting summer. Summer means addition of the individual input. The output voltage will become like this. and here no phase difference. Guys, you got that VB, how we are calculating by applying that voltage divider rule and all. Just take one value and calculate the answer for that, guys. If I will say in the previous circuit, do you remember just before inverting, non-inverting summer we solved? In this circuit, guys, I'm just drawing that for you, okay? No issue. Always in LIC class, keep your calci ready. One pen, one notebook. This is whatever the value. I'll just write the value only. I'll not write our R1 RF. Suppose in this question, this data I'm just providing it to you. 10 kilo ohm. Suppose this is 50 kilo ohm, and suppose this is 1 kilo ohm, and this is also 1 kilo ohm. Yeah. What is V0? Calculate and tell me. And we have already solved the output voltage equation, guys, for this circuit. Those who have written, they may get the answer easily. They no need to solve the equation once again. That is the advantage of writing. Guys, do you realize this now? Those who were simply lying me, ma'am, we are writing, solve it. Those who have written this, they can solve it within a minute.
30 volt.
30 volts.
Very good. What is the
30
other answer? If I will say other answers. What is V0 equation, guys? Suppose this is VP now. I will write different name, guys, because sometime you should not be confined to VB only. I'll write VP sometime, I will write VB sometime. Okay. So what is the V0 equation? 1 plus RF by R1 into BP. This is the equation, right? Directly we can solve this. 1 plus RF is 50, R1 is 10K. What is BP? What is BP? You have to solve it for BP, right? Yeah, can anybody say that what is BP? 10 into 1 kilo ohm divided by 1 kilo ohm plus 1 kilo ohm, right? That is the procedure, no? 10 volt into R3. This is the resistance connected to the ground. Okay. Divided by 1 kilo ohm plus 1 kilo ohm. What is the answer? 10 divided by 2.
2. 5.
Yeah, so what is BP now? 5 volt. So here how much we have to take? 1 plus 5 into 5 volt, right? So answer is
30.
30 volt. Yeah. Okay, guys. I hope you understand today's class topic. Do you have any doubt up to this?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Once again, I will ask, is there anybody having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Guys, okay, good. Those who are present
No.
for today's class, you just write present in the chat box. And remember, guys, those who are attending up to 40 minutes of lecture today, they will only get the attendance. If you type just now also, you may not get the attendance. Your Login activity will not allow me to give you attendance. So be careful once again. You have to attend the session fully. Then only you will deserve the attendance. Yeah. You type present in the chat box.
Ma'am, in the middle 2 minutes, I am not in the class, ma'am. Like it was logged out and I am again logged in for two minutes.
Okay, I will decide that. You just type present. That will also show. I will
No,
find
ma'am,
out.
I joined the start, but in the middle I went and 2 minutes I came again.
No issues. I'll check that. Okay. You type now. Present in the chat box. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Guys, we studied the summer or adder circuit. It is of two different types, inverting and non-inverting. But when we are going to learn about the topic subtractor, okay, it is only of one type. So subtractor is also called as differential amplifier. Okay, guys. What is the other name of subtractor? Differential amplifier. So how does it look like? Subtractor. What should be the definition of the subtractor, guys? The two inputs should be subtracted. Okay, the output is nothing but the subtraction or difference in between two applied input. Okay, so how the circuit will look like? The circuit will become like this. Guys, carefully draw the circuit along with me. And suppose we are going to apply the first input at the inverting input terminal. Similarly, the negative input structure of the subtractor is not direct. It is like this. So it is V2. This is suppose R2. This is R3. So here, to make the solutions simply or for simplicity, what do we name this? This is actually the compensating resistor we have to connect. So this may not be R3. Let's label this as RF. Okay, guys. So the output voltage equation, the desired V0 equation will become V2 minus V1. How do we prove this? Why it is V2 minus V1, not V1 minus V2, guys?
And because the inverting voltage is the inverting terminal is connected with VN, ma'am. V1. That's why it's minus there.
Which one is higher potential? Which one is positive applied input?
V2.
Both can be positive, na ma'am.
No, but always we have to subtract which input we are going to apply. How both can be positive, guys?
Ma'am, V1 and V2 can be positive, but like because the V2 is connected with the non-inverting terminal of op amp, it should be in positive sign, and
Yeah, that's
V1
why.
should be negative.
Yeah, that's what. The phase difference we are learning no in a closed loop configuration. That's why only the first three configuration had been taught to you. You have seen in the summer case also, no? If you take the input in the inverting input terminal, what should be the output? Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
From that point of view, you have to think that if the applied input at here, suppose I will name this as Vx and this is Vy, or I will name this one as Vy and this is Vx, the answer is Vy minus Vx. Okay, not Vx minus Vy. If you do like that, what will happen, guys? You cannot subtract. Minus 5 plus 2 is how much? Minus 3. The negative weightage will be there. No, it will become inverting. If you want your answer in the positive with respect to that, you must have to use the Vp minus Vn. Okay. Now we don't have time, guys. You just draw the circuit, and subtractor means the output voltage is in the form of V2 minus V1. In the next class only we will derive the points. I hope you all have typed your attendance. If it is so, here I will end your class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Guys, is this okay? Whether you all got the topic, today's topic?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then here I will end the class. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, for the previous classes, ma'am, there is no recording available in the chat for this channel only. D1.
But I have
Ma'am,
done
you
the
know
recording.
where is
You
the
have
recording
seen.
available?
You have seen, no?
Available.
Yeah, ma'am, I have
Yes, ma'am.
seen,
It's
but
available.
just
Yeah,
asking,
I
ma'am,
have
there
seen.
is no recording.
Because I have seen it is available for me.
It's available, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Recording
Ma'am,
is
it's available,
Yes,
ma'am, but
Is
we
it?
ma'am.
can't see it from
only
mobile,
first
ma'am.
class,
It's available in
second class
laptop.
is not available.
So Santanu, you
Yes,
asked, no? Who
ma'am.
asked the question now?
Akash.
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 Akash Bajpai.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So got your answer, Akash. If you open
Yes.
it through laptop, Actually, in mobile, some of the features are not activated in MS Team. No, if you see properly, in laptop only we may get all the features.
Ma'am, it was there, ma'am. Ma'am, before in previous semester it was there, but they removed it now.
No, for 20 days it will be there, Akash. At
Oh,
least.
no, ma'am. Like in mobile, we can't see the recording. It was
Yeah,
previously we can
because
see
of
it, but now
storage.
it's not.
No, because
Yes,
of the
it
storage
was there
capacity.
because it was earlier stored in cloud. That is why we can see. But now it won't be stored in cloud. That is why we
Yeah.
can't see in mobile.
Yeah, that is the storage capacity. No, it is hampering the data storage for the cloud also. No, that's why they have
Yes, ma'am.
allowed only one device, and the time limit also less for 20 days. If you want to download it within 20 days, you cannot get your recordings. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Ma'am, I had a doubt regarding the lab. So I wasn't able to download the software correctly, I guess.
You guess means what?
The 64-bit, it wasn't downloading. It was just showing as configuring the system. But the 32-bit, it downloaded, but half the icons are blurred. Matlab, there's no accessibility to those icons.
भरत, तुम कौन से स्लॉट को बिलोंग्स करते हो?
Friday slot, ma'am. 5960.
We may talk that in that lab slot itself. Guys,
Okay,
anybody
okay.
is getting the issue like that? Your system is 64-bit is not able to configure. Anybody?
Yes, ma'am. I fixed the problem when I downloaded from Mozilla Files. It downloaded, ma'am. No issues.
Mozilla, no? From browser Mozilla.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Not in Chrome.
No, ma'am. I cannot able access in Chrome, ma'am.
Yeah, maybe the browser issue may be there. Bharat.
Ma'am, but we are downloading from Google Drive. No, I don't think it actually matters.
No. Sometimes it matters. Which browser you are using to install the software, that matters. Some of the cookies, some of the things are no. It is not enable actually. You don't know. Internally it may be disabled sometimes. So better you try, no? If solutions are available, just
Yes,
go
ma'am.
through that.
I'll try that. I'll try that. Okay.
Okay, guys, is there any issue to talk? No? No means shall I end the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you all, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.